Good day to all of you. We're here to discuss how to use the Mendeley software. I'm Dr. Edwin Arboleda, an Associate Professor to Cavite State University in Cavite, Philippines. So let's start our topic. The contents of this video are the following. Um, a step-by-step, download Mendeley, install Mendeley, create Mendeley account, add Mendeley in MS Word or as a plugin, download a published article, cite the downloaded article in your paper, make a reference list or bibliography, editing the details of the article, and what are the advantages of using Mendeley. I have already downloaded my Mendeley and already installed my Mendeley. I'll just point you where it is to be found. I have already created my Mendeley account, so I will not repeat the process, but I will point you where to find it. And so let's begin. What is a Mendeley? Mendeley is a reference and citation management software. So this software has ability to cite a certain article in your manuscript, cite them, and then arrange the reference or bibliography in the end. So it's a very powerful software. It's very easy to use, user friendly, and your life will change. Your student life will become easier if you know how to use this Mendeley software. So step one is to download the Mendeley software. So where can you download the Mendeley? So I will not repeat the process in my laptop because it's already installed, but I'll show you where you can download the Mendeley. So Mendeley can be downloaded in their website www.mendeley.com. What happened? Let's let's wait for their website to appear. So the software can be downloaded freely here by pressing this download button, just like downloading any other software. You click this. I'm using Windows, so choose which version is suitable for your operating system. There is a Mendeley for Mac OS and also for Linux. So after downloading it, we go to step 2, which is install Mendeley. So installing Mendeley is just the same as installing an ordinary software. If you have installed any software before, installing Mendeley is as easy as that. I will not the process because Mendeley is already installed in my laptop. The third process for new user is to create a Mendeley account. Mendeley account, you can create the Mendeley account by going to the website and entering your email and supplying any other details. So I will not repeat the process again because, as I said before, Mendeley is already installed in my desktop and I have already an account in Mendeley. I have already an account, so I will not repeat the process. But for the new user, that is the third step. Let's go to the fourth step, which is add Mendeley in MS Word plugin. You have downloaded it, you have installed it. Now you have to add Mendeley in Word as a plugin. So how we'll do that? I have a sample here. Yeah. Formerly, if you are a new user, this bar or this section is not present. So how you do that? Uh, you go to the Mendeley tools, install MS Word plugin. Just click this. Formally, it's install MS Word plugin. So you need to install the MS Word plugin, and you'll know if it is installed when this section will appear in your MS Word. So step 5 is download a published article. You can you can download a published article using my techniques, 3 techniques from my previous videos in YouTube. You can use the technique in downloading a published article. I'll show you where that video is. Just search it in my channel, Edwin's Prime, or it's okay. I'll show it to you. So search for my YouTube channel, Edwin's Prime. So use this video in how to download a published research article for step 5. How to download a published research article in step 5. Use this video. How to publish how to download research article for free. So go to this video if you don't know how to download. If you are new to downloading research articles for free, there are 3 techniques. So you pick which technique is appropriate for you or your suitable for your needs. Step 5, we are through with that step 5. We go to step 6. I'll show you an example of how to download a published article. So I am working with this manuscript. This is a new paper that I have completed, but what is lacking is the citation. It doesn't have any citation, and it has no reference. So for the purpose of demonstration of downloading a research article, this paper is about orbital shaker. So let's download a paper about orbital shaker. So let's go to Google and let's enter orbital shaker published article. So it's already here in the search. and in our search, this one appears. This is the first link that appeared. So let's download this. So download. Okay, we have downloaded it. Let's see. Oh, okay, we have downloaded that article. It is already saved in our download folder. It's this one. Let's open it. So this is the first article that we downloaded that is about orbital shaker. Let's download another one. Science Direct. Bottom. Well, let's download this. Bottom illuminated shaker for microalgae. Let's see if it's downloadable. So it is. This one falls in the. Is this open source? Download this article. Let's see if we can download it. Oh, let's download it. Bottom illuminated. Let's see if we can download it. So it is also in a open source format from Elsevier. So we got lucky that it is for free. Download folder. So this is the other article about orbital shaker. Okay, for example, I want to cite those two articles. I want to cite those two articles in my paper. Before we can cite it in my paper, I need to add it first into the Mendeley desktop. Download. So step 5 is download the published article. Then we add it into Mendeley. So let's add the files that we have downloaded. Add files. That file that we have that I have downloaded is this one. It's saved in the download folder. So open. So this is the newly downloaded article. This is the first one, and we also add the second one, the second article about orbital shaker. This is the second article. Let's open it. And it's now here. Hardware bottom illuminated orbital shaker for microalgae cultivation. Now that it is added in our Mendeley desktop, it is added in the library of the Mendeley desktop, I can now use it in citing. For example, this sentence is about the definition of orbital shaker, and I want the first article. I want to cite the first article as the one where I get that definition. This is just for demo purposes only. So, how to cite it? You click Insert Citation, go to Mendeley, find this article. This is the first article about orbital shaker, and press Cite. Formatting citation. We can see here that it is now cited. It's in IEEE format. Now I wanted to cite the second for the second sentence. I want to cite the second article. So insert citation, go to Mendeley. Want to cite this as this article to the second sentence. So I click cite. So it is now cited. But if you want to change the formatting, so I want to change the formatting based on the format requirement of the journal wherein I am going to submit this article. So that format is American Psychological Association, and that's the power of Mendeley. You can see that from IEEE format, it's now changed to American Psychological format. So if you want to change it to Vancouver style, it automatically changed to Vancouver style. So let's put it back to American Psychological Association, 6th edition. So we have 2 articles cited in our manuscript. Let's go to the step 6. That's already step 6. We have cited those two articles in our manuscript. Step 7, make a bibliography list. So it is now cited, and I want to make a bibliography list at the end of this manuscript. So we do that by going at the last part of the manuscript. This is the last part of the manuscript. So step 7 is make a reference or bibliography list. We go to this one, insert bibliography, and it is automatic. The inserted bibliography is in the American Psychological Association. No need to type this one by one. No need to type this one by one. It is automatic. So all you have to do is just type references. So it is automatic. Okay, step 8 is editing the details of the manuscript. Okay, let's see if the details of this manuscript is correct. Let's see. Let's go to the Mueller. So, according to this, the journal is Interscience. Okay, this is the details. So the journal is biotechnology and bioengineering. So let's change this uh, to biotechnology and bioengineering. Okay, that's it. Oh, the year is 2005, so we need to change that. Volume 89, issue number 4. So the pages is correct. So what are the other details we need to enter on this one? If you want, the DOI is already here. So I think the details is now complete. So so the details are now complete. Let's go back to our Microsoft Word, and what we edit in Mendeley is not automatically added here. So we need to press refresh. So it is now edited. The details are now edited. Let's look on the second one. Second article, Ned Duval. If the details are correct. This is Nedbal. So hardware X, the details are correct. Volume 8. So, let's press details are correct. So, for some journal, the details are complete. For some journal articles, some are incomplete. So, you need to enter the details manually. Okay, we go to the advantages of using Mendeley. Advantages of using Mendeley. Step 9. What are the advantages of using Mendeley? The first advantage is you don't need to type in each and every reference manually. Second one is the bibliography is automatically generated. Third one, the third advantage is you can change from one format to another format automatically, from APA to Vancouver to IEEE. That's the third advantage. The fourth advantage is when you insert uh, another reference prior to what you have already cited, it is automatic. It is also automatic. So let's demonstrate that. For example, we have this citation. We have two citations in APA format, and I want to insert another author here, another published journal article. So this is only for the purpose of demonstration. So I go to my library. I want to cite this one, this article. This again is purpose of demonstration. Then okay, I go first to this. I go first to my paper, insert citation, go to Mendeley. I want to cite this article, press cite, and it is automatically inserted. Let's go to the bibliography and let's see what happened. It is automatically inserted. For example, another example is we change this to show you uh, more as a demo that we will change this to IEEE format. So to show you more clearly, this is 1, 2, 3. I want to insert another literature here, another article. So this article, 1, 2, the article that I will insert should be number 3, and this one should be number 4. So insert citation. Again, for the purpose of uh, demonstration only, I will insert this article, cite. So the inserted article becomes 3, and the original number 3 has now been replaced by 4. So that is another advantage of using the Mendeley software. Journal writing, paper writing, research writing, thesis writing will be much easier if you know how to use Mendeley. I don't enjoy writing before. My thesis in the undergrad, thesis in the masteral, I have only encountered Mendeley in my doctoral degree when I was enrolled in my doctoral degree, and it it is it made my it made my life easier. I I began to love research writing because of Mendeley. One of the reasons why I love research writing is Mendeley, because I don't need to type this manually and according to the format. The formatting has been done for me automatically by Mendeley. All I need to do is just insert, cite, and that's it. The Mendeley automatically generates it. So Mendeley is really a big help. If an undergrad student will encounter this, the purpose why I did this video is to introduce this to undergrad students so they will not struggle. So they will not struggle in writing their thesis, their paper. So this is Mendeley. This video is also for those faculty members who have a hard time doing the referencing in their manuscript for for publishing in a journal, or and they are going to present in a conference. This will help. Um, I hope I have done. I hope you pick something, you learn something from this video. And happy research writing. Thank you very much.